Hi, my name is Lucas from Autotuning Ibiza. Today I want to show you the problem people have trying to read the key using Xhorse machine when the probe snapped. Okay, why the probe snapped? I will explain how machine works. Machine sending electric signal impulse from the probe to the holder of the machine, which when attached, it beeps and stops motor to going forward. When we have dirt inside the channel track, for example, machine is not going to be able to send impulse, electric impulse from there to the frame, which holds the key, because it's dirt. So the machine thinks it can still go forward, and they snap the probe. Let's see. So usually what I do is to clean all the surface inside the channel track, for example. This already been cleaned before, but I just want to show you again how I do this. Scrape it with the blade, everything, make it nice and clean. Yeah. I don't want to spend more time on it because the rest is already clean. And also, it's good to scrape side surface, just to make sure you've got nice, clean metal. So the electricity gets travel from the probe to the key, and then machine knows that's it. I usually also clean with isopropyl. Blow with the air. Now the key is nice and clean. Okay? Position key in the clamp is already prepared. Decode the key. So now, when you hear the beep, that means the machine touched the metal and stops. As you can see, all the surface is nice and clean. Machine read it properly. Process of decoding key is complete. Now we have everything ready. So if your probe breaks, clean your key, make sure the machine also is calibrated, and the settings when you get a new machine, when you power this up and you snap the thing, make sure the key is clean, calibrate machine, and that should be fine. Thank you very much for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel and have a nice day.